All blurry on this side. Now film here. Nothing at all. That's awesome. No more blurry windshield, guys. Look at my window, it's even dangerous to drive like this. And look where we applied our hack, it doesn't blur. That's amazing, isn't it? So let's make our little mix to get rid of blurry windshield for good. A friend of mine, who's a truck driver, taught me this. So I found it quite useful, especially if you don't have AC in the car. Or if you do have, but don't have the rear defroster. So it's hard to maneuver the car when it is raining, and it can be bad. So here's what we're gonna need. First, we're gonna use alcohol. It has to be 70%, okay? We're using 5 ounces of alcohol. Let's add here 5 ounces of alcohol. We're also gonna need dishwasher detergent. Here I'm using unscented, but it's up to you. Let's add 4 tablespoons of detergent. Four tablespoons of detergent. Now mix it very well. After mixing, our little mix is ready, guys. Now I'm gonna add all this mixture in a sprayer to make it easier to apply. So let me put it here. Now cover it well. And it's ready to use. Let's get to the car now so I can show you how it works. So to apply our mixture, you just need a cloth, that's it. I'm gonna apply it just in front of me, from this point here. So you can see the difference. So here we go, apply the mixture here. You don't need to use much, okay? Just a thin layer. Now I'm gonna spread it with a cloth. I already spread it well. There's a few drops of water outside because it rained a lot last night. But no problem, we only need to apply it inside, right? Now that's what we're gonna do. Let it dry for about 1 minute. I'll let it dry, then I'm gonna show you the difference where I didn't apply it and where I applied our little mixture. So guys, I got some hot water in a mug to show you. Remembering that I didn't apply it there, and this is the side I applied. So if I place the mug here, you can see that it blurs. See? You can see it blurring, right? Now check this side, it doesn't blurry, guys. Look how cool. One more time, if I put the mug here it blurs, okay? But on this side it does not. This is amazing. So we're driving for about 10 minutes. And look there, all blurry. Now take a check on this side, there's nothing. Look how cool. It doesn't blur at all. See how my window is, it's even dangerous to drive like this. And look here where we applied the mixture, it doesn't blur at all. Very cool. Film here, all blurry where we didn't apply. All blurry. So it's a pretty useful tip for those who don't have air conditioning. Put this mixture in a sprayer or something and leave it in the car. Whenever it starts to rain, just take it and apply. Or even before leaving. If the weather is cloudy, which will be very handy,